Hello, it's the £1 game again today, and obviously, as you can see, it's not a gaming style video. So this just came out in Lidl's today. It's the Salter Dual Air Healthy Air Fried Family Meals Air Fryer. So I was waiting out in -5-degree weather this morning from about 7:30 until the store opened at 8. Yeah, I didn't really need to wait, so yeah, because I had 6 in the store near me, which is about 3 minutes walk from me, and yeah, we've got one of these at £99, and there's so many people wanting the Ninja Dual Air Fryer systems. They're running from about 230 upwards, and the list is only £99, 99p, so it must say £100. And it's got a touch screen, it's got dual compartments, and here are the what it says on the box. So our one that we've been using for quite a few years now, it's only a small one, it's about the size of one of these baskets on its own, and it's starting to pack up and go somewhere else. So but we did get that for free many years ago, and it's been doing okay. But yeah, it's time for a change and an upgrade, and we didn't fancy paying what they're asking for the Ninja. And yeah, as you know, times are very tight at the moment, and I'll see if I can get it all in the shot for you. So it is on my worktop at the moment, and things are being moved around. So yeah, so it's air fryer 210 degrees centigrade 20 minutes, and roast at 190 degrees 15 minutes. And do you want to go out? Yeah, in -5, -4 degree weather. So go, Ruby. Nope. Okay. Oh, now it's gone, so I can close the door. Oh, keep the warm air in, what warm air there is. Okay, and back to the air fryer. So we've seen the sides, and now the back. Ooh, let's see if we can get that in. It's just the same as the front, so you get a 3-year guarantee, so it doesn't say warranty. So it's an extra large family size air fryer with independent compartments. So hopefully, just like the Ninja, you can do one compartment on its own, or 2 compartments on its own. So if you want to do the left one on its own, you can. If you want to do the right one on its own, you can. So, or I'm hoping you can start the right compartment, and then 20-30 minutes before it's done, you can start the left compartment, or vice versa. I'm hoping that you can do that. So I'm hoping they've got individual timers. Well, it looks like. Yeah, maybe, yeah, I think they might do. So let's get into it, and let's get it unboxed. See if it's anything to go crazy about, because yeah, things at the moment with Lidl's are selling out really quickly, and yeah, my wife really wanted this, so I stayed out, and they got out really early for me at least. And what do we have on top? The usual, obviously. And yeah, so we have the, I'm guessing that's the instructions, or possibly telling you about it, and it could be the not instructions, what are they called? Oh, I can't remember. Oh, there you go. Well, recipes, that's it, recipes. And yeah, this is how you use it. It's touchscreen, and it does have removable drip trays, which is good. So I'm hoping they are, hopefully, dishwasher compatible. And yeah, he's now. Hello. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, when he comes and when he goes for a pee, I have to give him some food. And yeah. That's it. There you go, darling. Good boy. Good boy, darling. Alright. Yeah. Right. Back to this again. I'm going to have to put this on the floor, I think. Okay. Right. Yeah, he wants to have a look now, so let's get these out and let's have a look at the quick look at the recipes. Now, unfortunately, he likes to chew boxes, so let's see if he does this today. And yeah, so you got vegetables, dog's head, okay, chicken, beef, and the usual basically, pork, lamb, fish and seafood frozen, and tells you the rates and stuff and how long you're supposed to do it for yet. And then yeah, some recipes in there. Okay, so let's put that up there and some good packaging so far. Right. Okay, so these are the strip trays. Let's have a look at those first. And they are made out of metal. Not flimsy, but not hard. I think if you put a bit of pressure on there, you'll definitely be able to bend it. But there wouldn't be any reason for you to do that. And a second one, of course. Right. And the connections are actually, let's see if you can see that, they are rubber. Surprisingly, I'm guessing they're heat resistant rubber. And you can take these off by the looks of it, yep. So I'm guessing when you want to put it in the dishwasher or clean it in the sink, I'll be definitely taking these off in case these come off and down the sink or in the air fryer, not air fryer, dishwasher. So put those over there and obviously the plug. So get this out one hand now, but I can't. No, I can't. Okay. Right, let's pause. Okay, so I've got it out of the box, and let's do the unpacking. Let's see what that looks like. And as you can see, it's quite large. And let's get that out. It's not too heavy actually, but I'm guessing the Ninja one is going to be a lot heavier. But it is a kind of satin black, smooth to the touch, and feels quite good. And build quality seems okay at the moment. And obviously at the back it has, this is obviously upside down, some sort of ventilation. I'm guessing this is ventilation there and there for back stoppers, so it's not too close to the wall. Little ventilation there and there. So, and obviously at the back, so this will not be able to be pushed back against the wall. And inside, obviously these are plastic chrome, these aren't metal, and got a bit of resistance there. It's not too bad. So yeah, that's okay. Let's try and get that again. The size isn't too bad. It's more deep than obviously wide, but you do have two of them. So if you've got a smaller one, you will be, I'm guessing, getting double the capacity that you were getting before. So because the one I've got, we were using, I'll just show you. Well, it is this one, and yeah, it's quite old, and yeah, let's see, yeah, it definitely needs to be cleaned. And yeah, the fan is going, and every time we turn it on, it sounds like it's trying to take off. That will be definitely one of those. I mean, the top, I'm hoping it doesn't feel like it's going to get too hot, too warm, to the tarts, and let's plug it in. Okay, so before we turn it on for the first time, let's put the drip trays in, see how well they're going. Okay, so I'm guessing you should be able to just, already got a hair, should be able to just hold the middle and, let's see, drop it in. Well, not drop it in like that, but yeah, that's a nice tight fit. Yeah, because of these rubber stoppers. And then let's do the next one. Okay. Alright. Pick it up and line it up, and hopefully same, it doesn't go slowly on its own, but yeah, you do have to put some pressure in. You're not going to scratch the lining of it, which is good. You don't want to be doing that, especially if it's too expensive for what it is, but £99 or £100 nowadays is a quite an expenditure. And yes, as you can see, it's got a fan and heating element there, and obviously on the other side it has another fan and heating element. And this is touch screen, so let's turn it on for the first time, and this is what it looks like. And let's turn it on. So you've got number 1 and let's see, and yes, you can do separate drawers, so you don't have to use number 1, and you don't have to use number 1 while you use number 2, or number 2 while you use number 1. So I'm guessing match is to match both 1 and 2 together, so they're both finished at the same time. Or if you start one, you'll be able to match the end time. So I'm guessing it will figure out how long it's got for the first one, and then start the second one, and to cook it at the same time, so it finishes with number 1 or number 2. And let's see, so we have, well, it's definitely a dust magnet, so we have air fry. Let's do air fry. Okay, let's turn it off and start it again. Okay, that's just off. Right, turn it on. It's very quick to come on. I don't think there is a locking mechanism, but when you press air fry, it will come up with time and temperature, and then let's see, it doesn't come up with time and temperature when you do that. So you've got pause there, time up and time down, so 19, I'm guessing that's minutes, and then temperature goes up to 210 by the looks of it. Not too sure. Okay, so let's do match, and then it matches the same on the other side, and then do sync, hoping this doesn't turn on, and both 14 minutes. And then let's see if we can unsync. Okay, let's do roast. Nope. Let's do air fry and roast at the same time, so you can do air fry in one and then roast in the other, and then roast or bake or dehydrate, manual and reheat. So you can basically roast in one, dehydrate in the other, and then whichever combination you like. And let's do bake, and then, oh no, that was manual. Let's do dehydrate there, 60 minutes or 60 degrees, 14 minutes, and then manual, and then you can reheat So that'll be 170 degrees at 14 minutes, but obviously you can change. Oh no, is it? Yeah, I need to figure this one out. There you go. Yeah, maybe I was wrong on it. So that is the temperature, but when you do reheat, yeah, that is the temperature. But if you do this, the time, it will change the time on that one. But if you want to sync both, one's 18, one's 14, so you can. This will start first. Number 1 will start first, and then when it gets to 14 minutes, basket 2 will start heating up, and then obviously they'll both finish at the same time. So yeah, that's the quick overview of the salted dual air fryer from Lidl. It's quite nice. See how long it keeps that way, and see if it scratches quite easy. See if it scratches easily, and see if the touchscreen continues to work for hopefully as long as we had the last one. It was about 7 years, 5, 6, 7 years maybe. But yeah, that's the overview. And hopefully you have a good day and keep warm. And thank you for watching. £1 Gamer out.